Hey guys, I hope you guys are doing well. I'm celebrating. We have sunshine. It has been like a week and a half, 2 weeks of just miserable, rainy, cloudy, ugly weather, damp, cold, snow, you name it. So I am just like praising God today for the sunshine. So I wanted to jump on here quick because I'm really feeling I need to get an urgent message out to you guys. We need to really take our lives, our well-being, our futures into our own hands. You guys have heard me saying this for 12, 13 years already, and especially these last 2. If you do not have garden space and you've never gardened before, I want to encourage you to step out of your comfort zone right now and start planting. I just want to share something with you. We experimented last year and we put this in place. It's a pallet. It's resting on sawhorses. It's nothing fancy. It's really, a redneck greenhouse. It works. And what I want to show you is it stood the test of time of winter. You saw me sharing that we had 70 plus inches of snow dumping on the ground. It was heavy snow. We had rain on top of it. It was ice. This stayed warm enough to keep the snow off the top. I did not grow anything in this over the winter, but I'm going to start planting things now. It's really early here in North Idaho. We are getting frost. It's still cold, but I'm going to plant my brassicas. I'm going to get some cabbage. I'm going to get my Brussels sprouts, some kale going out here. And, this right here is just utilizing the grow bags. I'll move the camera over here. Let me just switch this up a second. Clothespins. They are like duct tape, a very universal tool. But here, I want to show you. Okay, so these are just grow bags. You will find the link in the description down below, along with several books that I feel are extremely important for you to have in your physical library. These are like a felt type bag. I'm not even sure what they're 7 gallons. And these are fabulous to utilize. You don't need to have a pallet in plastic. You can just put these on your patio, on your porch, and grow things. Tomatoes, fresh tomatoes, having fresh food. Things are increasing in price daily. Eggs went from like $5 up to $15. It's insane. Chicken, we were getting I don't know what the poundage was on the bag, but for the last 12 years, we've paid $5.99 for a bag of the organic chicken that we were getting, and it's now $10.98. Things are just escalating. Things are happening fast. So I just want to encourage you guys, there's so many other ways that you can grow things. You can start seeds in egg cartons. You can start seeds in plastic salad containers. All those things that you would put in the landfill, those are fabulous little mini greenhouses to start your seeds. This is a great way to start seeds. Utilizing those containers and putting them in here will help me get my seeds started. We are on our second homestead here. We have been here only, 598 days, I think it is. I'm counting the days. And we don't have good soil here. It's a lot of clay. We have a very small section that we've worked with to grow potatoes and some of our root crops down there, but we don't have a lot of good soil. So this is a great way for us to continue to keep going. Miss Jane on our channel shared with me her nice big trough that also has 3 of the grow bags in. I'm going to be planting in those as well. That might be a little later because I've got to watch with the frost, but I'm going to get things started in here. I'm going to share this process with you guys. I'm going to share my seed starting with you. I want to encourage you to embark on growing things. Even if you've never done it before, plant something your family likes. A lot of times people just go and start grabbing seeds. Don't do that. Grab what your family likes. Utilize what your family likes and grow some things. Start getting into it. Start learning. This is a skill that will carry you through into your future. It is essential. and we need to start preparing. Like I said, this is makeshift, but it stood the test of time of our winters here. It is a great little tool to enable me to grow things all year long. And I'm gonna have to do things a little different with the plastic. We are in the process today, another praise, of getting our well in. Once our well is in, we're gonna move on to the greenhouse. So I will have a greenhouse in my future, but I don't have it now. And many of you are waiting for things to happen before you embark, but we don't have that kind of time. We need to slowly progress into these things, utilize the time we have, utilize the resources we have, and have at it. I will be sharing more on all of this, and I will be sharing the process with you, but take a look at the grow bags down below. There's also towers. I do not have them out here right now, but I will put a link for those in the description below as well. That's another way that you can tower things, and you can also do vertical growing from a line on your balcony, on your porch, or on your back porch. String a line of paracord and run some vertical planters. You can grow tomatoes that way, strawberries that way. There's so many things you can do. So I'm gonna share links below to get you started, to get your mind turning. I'm gonna provide some books that I highly, highly recommend that new gardeners, avid gardeners have in their physical library. And note, I'm saying physical because who knows what's gonna happen with our digital equipment, our internet, who knows? You have it in your hands, you've got what you need. So I'm going to share those links. I'm going to share more. Stay tuned. Join me and keep looking for future videos. I got to go get busy and start helping with the well. We will share that process with you too. You guys have a fabulous day. Start growing things. God bless.